It's called, I call it I mean, definitely we know client journeys, but I call it the infinity, right? Because instead of, I got a deal, I closed a deal, I got a deal, I closed a deal, and I don't call them or talk to them ever again and hope that they'll call me back. Imagine if you actually did communicate with them and you got, how
Wow.
much
Yeah.
more money have you left on the table?
Right. Wow.
Because don't think for a minute they weren't calling, their servicer wasn't calling,
That's right.
right?
Yep.
But it's, I got a deal, I get a deal. So it's very linear. I'm proposing an infinity, right? Where you're on the one side, you have the marketing piece and you're um, gaining clarity of who you are so that you can market yourself, right? That's all the marketing piece of it. And making sure that you're a market influencer and that people see you and that you're getting the bandwidth. And you go from being invisible to invincible, right? So people pick you. But then when you go on the other side of the infinity sign, now it becomes customer experience. It's not service. I don't care who your company is. I don't care what your rates are, because everyone's going to go through the same exact process, which is fulfillment. But how you take people through the vertical on this is experience, and how they feel
Mm.
about you is what will create them becoming loyal and pushing other people into the trigger on the other side.